Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to log into your Bitget account. Logging in is crucial for accessing your crypto portfolio and keeping up to the latest market trends. So let's get started on how to log into your Bitget account. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the menu option from the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see the login button. Tap on it. In the provided field, enter your email or mobile number, then tap on the next button. Complete the verification process by following the on-screen instructions. Now, enter the account password in the provided field. Finally, tap on the login button and complete the login process. And this is how you can log into your Bitget account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.